Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to add add-ins in Microsoft Word. So click on this Insert tab. Here you will see option Get add-ins. Find add-ins that add new functionality to Office, simplify tasks and connect your services you use every day. So just click on it. And here you will see a list of features. You can use it freely in your Word document. There is a category, and also you can sort by writing name and release date. You want to use any service, so just click on edit, then continue. And if after any add-on your Microsoft Office not work properly, so you need to uninstall that add-on. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.